Today, let's explore the extensive framework governing external commercial borrowings, or ECBs, and foreign currency loans in India, a vital topic as Indian companies expand globally. ECBs are crucial for financing infrastructure, manufacturing, and services, balancing liberal capital access with macroeconomic stability. This framework is anchored in the Foreign Exchange Management Act, 1999, guided by the Reserve Bank of India's operational rules and policy directions from the Ministry of Finance. Over the past 3 decades, India has evolved from a restrictive borrowing regime to a liberalized, internationally aligned system.